Well, hello. Today I have a review in this box as well as this item here. It didn't come in the box, it came as is and they put a sticker on it. Let's get into the review. Alright, about to crack open this here box. See what I got. Looky. Alright, I got some trash bags. Yes, I do. They're leak proof. They're supposed to be strong. They say home trash can liners, but multi-purpose. And then I have what is the Scrubzz. This is a bath sponge, soap and shampoo infused. It says just add water, lather, scrub, and towel dry. Good for the elderly, for travel, for baby care, post-surgery, camping, gym. It don't say trucking, but trucking. All those things is what I read on the back of here. It said America's best-selling #1 shower and wipes alternatives. You should probably still dive in the tub if you can every once in a while. If you using these, if you can, dive in the tub sometime. And then I have 50 luxurious reusable non-woven cotton facial towels. It says you can use these at a maximum of 3 uses and then dispose. 50 towels equals 150 uses. Cut costs and reduce waste by 70%. That's what it say here. See, you can see that. So you can use it for facial cleansing. Wet the towel with water. Squeeze excess water from towel if desired. Apply wet on face for cleansing. You can use soap and cleanse your face with soap. Yeah. So I don't know. I mean, I guess you could wash your whole body with it. Probably wouldn't be able to use it 3 times, but Now let me see. This is called a 1-minute bath. You don't have to rinse. It says no rinse, no bathing, no sticky residue. Yeah, this is pretty much solely for the truck. Obviously, there are places where they don't have, a restroom or where you need to wash your hands or whatever have you. So I was looking to see, it's 25 in this pack. I was thinking it was going to be like 100 or something, but it's 25 in here. So I'm going to demonstrate it since I'm here with you. Okie dokie. I'm making this face because I don't want to be putting like, there's a light. It smells like the hospital, not in a negative way. It smells sterile. That would be my best description. What I'm gonna do, well, I thought I was gonna cut it in half, but I'll go ahead and use this whole thing. Have a bottle of water. Pouring some on here. So I poured the water on there. You saw it. It's starting to fuzz up. Yeah, it smells like a baby, like baby products when you know, not labor delivery, but after labor delivery, and you know, you're in your room and you get all this, the good stuff that they give you to take home with you. It just smell like that to me. But yeah, it gets real soapy. Okay, soapy. I could also take and cleanse my steering wheel with this, or this is my personal vehicle that I use on a regular basis, but the fuel truck, multiple people are in that, so definitely want to wipe that down. So I wipe that down. You know, I keep my truck fairly clean because it's not, you know, it's not nasty. As you can see, steering wheel be clean. I only want to take home no germs. But anyway, that was just to give you a little show and tell. Yeah. I might, when I get to the fuel truck, I might wipe that steering wheel down so you can see how filthy that one is in comparison to this one. Alright, anywho, it say you don't need to rinse. You just wipe it off with a cloth or something. So I got some paper towels here, so just wipe my hands off with a paper towel. And just know that I will leave these in the description below, and I do have an Amazon affiliate code at no charge to you extra, other than you purchasing it through my code. I get a little kickback from that, so you can support my channel in that way. If you're interested in said products, you can go ahead and use my code, and that'll be nice. Alright, I've dried my hands. When I like rub them, it don't feel sticky, but I don't know, when I do this, it feels a little weird. Oh, just a little bit. Smell clean. So that is for the rinse-free bath sponges. So they say you don't have to rinse it with water, but you can, if you got it, you can. And I assume that you can, you know, use it in the bathtub with you. I'm not gonna do that here, but now this is some luxurious face cloths. I was looking to see how to open it without showing my address. I don't know how successful I was at that. So it has this little thing that you, when you're at home, or I guess wherever, I don't know, you would put this on the wall. I'm not going to do that. They have a little bag, like after you use it, like if you wash your face today, you would use it, put it in said bag, and then if you care to, you can use the little hook thing here to hang the bag onto it. So that's how you would dry. It would dry. This smells nice and clean too. This one doesn't. This doesn't have a I don't even know what I was about to say. I don't know. Now I do. My bad. Mine went that fast. This doesn't have soap in it, but you would just, you know, wet it and wash your face, or if you want to remove makeup. Look, it's strong. It's strong. It's got some texture. It's got some texture to it. Feels cottony. There is no soap in this. But I'm wetting it. strong, even though it's saturated, it's strong. Still, it's clean. Obviously, I washed my face good this morning. What time is it? It's 10:27 a.m. If you can see that. Very awkward. Okay. My bad. It's 10:28 a.m. March 10th. That's the time. So, anywho, I wiped my face. It's still clean. But yeah, things you can use, you know, when you're traveling. If you're a truck driver, as I am, whether it be local or OTR, the little soapy cloth could come in handy. The luxurious facial cloth will definitely come in handy for you, as well as the trash bags, because you could throw all this in here after you have used it. Yeah, I don't think I'll be saving this, but this is my review on the trash bags, the luxurious face wipes, as well as the soapy cloths. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Check out a video that may pop up on my right or on my left. And until the next time we meet, remember to take life one bite at a time. Later.